Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back! Today we're going to be doing pack 9 on the Terminator model, and just look at this beast so far. Now I expect this pack and probably pack 10 are going to be fairly short videos because we're just replicating what we did earlier, but this time on the left side. But who knows, maybe they'll throw me a curveball and we'll hit something else. Why don't we crack it open and let's find out. And here are the parts we get with stage 81, and it looks like we have us another finger and some pieces for the forearm. So it does look like we are continuing our build of the left arm. So, since we've already done it before, we'll skip right to the end. And here we are at the end of stage 81, and sure enough, we got us another finger and some more detail on the forearm. Let's see what stage 82 has in store. And here are the parts we get with stage 82, and based on what I see here, it looks like we've got more stuff for the forearm. It looks like maybe enough to actually connect the forearm to the bicep. And the tools we're going to need to connect that finger from the last stage to the hand. Well, let's crack it open and get moving. And sure enough, here we are at the end of stage 82, and it looks like his left arm is getting really close to being done. Just a few more stages to go, I think. And here we are with the parts for stage 83, and it looks like we have yet one more finger, as well as the ball joints here for the wrist. So we're getting really close to getting that left hand done. And sure enough, here we are at the end of stage 83, and we now have 4 fingers and 3 ball joints. That left hand is almost done. And here are the parts for stage 84. Looks like we have ourselves the thumb and the big ball joint for the wrist. So it looks like we're actually going to be finishing off the left hand this time. And sure enough, here we are at the end of stage 84 with one completed left hand. Ooh, you think the next one's going to let us finish off the left arm? Wouldn't that be cool? And here we are at stage 85, and we have all of these pieces for the left arm, and I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure this goes on the left leg. So I think we are about ready to finish off the left arm. I don't know if we're going to attach it or not, but why don't we put this together and find out. And here we are, a completed left arm and a piece to start off the left leg. And here we have the parts for stage 86. I don't see a whole lot to continue on with the leg, but I do believe I see the parts we need to actually attach the left arm to the main body. Sure enough, at the end of stage 86, we have the left arm fully attached, ready to rock and roll. Oh yeah! Nothing really on the leg though, so hopefully in 87 we'll start working on that. And here we are with stage 87, and it looks like we're finally beginning to work on the left leg. Things are definitely coming along. And here we have the end of stage 87. Not a lot of progress, but we got this on and all the nuts, so things are looking good. And here we have stage 88, and if I am not mistaken, these are the parts that we're going to need to attach the thigh to the chassis. Fingers crossed. And here we are as expected. Sure enough, we have attached the thigh to the chassis, and that's really all there was to stage 88. Let's see what 89 has in store for us. And here are the parts we get with 89. Oop, and that rolled off the edge. Not a whole lot to do. Just shove this in. And then we want to take the hex driver here. And we're going to attach that plate to the hip. And that is the end of 89. And there we go. Not much to it. One hip plate, 1/2 of a piston. And these are, well, this is the one and only part that we get with stage 90 here, which completes pack 9. And this is just the external plate. So it goes on here, 3 screws on the back, and then we do have the screw required to attach the piston to the thigh. And that will actually complete the entire pack. And there you go. That is the end of stage 90. And to give you a full overview, just look at this guy. He's hanging off the table here. Really difficult to work with at this point, especially getting a screwdriver in here because these legs do not spread horizontally. But he is absolutely looking gorgeous. Hopefully pack 10, which is coming up next, will finish off this leg and we can start working on something new. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.